On the 15th of December 2022, during a press conference held at the Meghalaya Trinamool Congress party office in Shillong, the State President of the All India Trinamool Congress, Pyngrope, while replying to a query on the party chief's ministerial candidate, the name of which was reportedly announced recently in Tura, said that till date no such discussion had taken place, but the same will depend on the decision made by state leaders of the party.
Mr. Banerjee, our National General Secretary, and he never mentioned that there will be any chief ministerial candidate. But if the party feels that they should have a face before the elections as chief ministerial candidate, it can be the call of the party, and none of us have any objections to that. But what was being impressed was because of the people, they were thinking that, oh, because it is a party from Bengal, someone from Bengal will come and interfere in the workings of the party. But it has been made abundantly clear yesterday also by the Honorable Chairperson that the affairs of the state will be run by the party in the state itself and not by any outside interference. So that should be made clear. But regarding the chief ministerial candidate, even yesterday she said, it is up to us to decide.
In the meantime, the All India Trinamool Congress State President of Meghalaya had informed that a list of the majority number of candidates to contest in the upcoming 2023 General Assembly elections in the state will be announced by the party before Christmas this year.
We are, in fact, for us it is a priority. And even if you don't get the full list, you will get the majority of the list will come out.
So by December?
We want to have it before Christmas. Because after that, as you know, it is not because we are dilly-dallying. The election code of conduct will also kick in the first week of January. I mean, that's what we've been made to understand. Therefore, it will be important for all political parties, including us, that we do not delay the declaration of the candidates for all the 60 constituencies.